I'm Hector from Mugani, a mbira player, ethnomusicologist, a farmer, a father, and a son. One of the things that I'm working on is the continuity and modernization of traditional sounds. Today I'm going to Moyo Studios to see Mono with the files from Super Michaela and to show him Sine Chikowiro, the artist that I met in Chimani, so that we can work and produce this song together. So, Zirisi, ndini MP3. At least taka terera taka ningira no na kuratidza pani mfesa na Super Chikoero.
Put it in the machine. Please.
We are together.
This is the trigger. Okay. This is true. It's a digital base. For Zimbabwean music, usually it doesn't really work well. So I think we just need to replace some of the digital stuff to my live instrument. The main instrument is the Chikoero.
The main instrument, Chikoero.
Yeah. We can start with the Chikoero. We can get the guys from Chimani to do their parts. They can send it online. Then you can play the mbira. Then we can just match things up. Let me give you a picture of what I think the drum could sound like.
All right. Yeah.
Now this is more Zimbabwean. And then we add Zimbabwean feel to the guitar. So this is what we can do with the sound or with the song.